Friends, my name is Zakir Haim. I am a content writer, digital marketer, and a professional blogger. Welcome to this highly anticipated showdown between two of these most advanced language models out there, ChatGPT and Google Bard. In this video, we will compare these two cutting-edge AI models against each other to determine which one comes out on the top. So without further ado, let's dive into the battle of ChatGPT and Google Bard. As we know that artificial intelligence is becoming more advanced with each passing day. One of the most remarkable advances in the field of artificial intelligence is the development of natural processing models. Chatbots have been around there for a while, but with the advent of more sophisticated models like GPT-3 and Google Bard, the world of ChatGPT is about to change. Both of these models are equipped with impressive abilities to generate human-like text, but which one will be on the top? Today, we are going to compare their strengths and weaknesses to determine who will be the true winner in this tech war. Understanding the basics. Before we begin, let's take a moment to understand the basics of ChatGPT and Google Bard. ChatGPT is an AI language model developed by OpenAI that uses deep learning to generate human-like responses to natural language queries. It is pre-trained on large corpus of data and fine-tuned on specific tasks using transfer learning. Chatbot, on the other hand, is Google recently announced language model that generate coherent and diverse text with deep neural networks. First up is ChatGPT, a massive language model trained by OpenAI. ChatGPT is a transformed-based neural network that was trained on an enormous amount of text from the internet. As a result, it can generate high-quality text in a wide range of topics from news articles to fiction stories to technical writing. ChatGPT has proven to be extremely versatile and adaptable, capable of answering complex questions and generating coherent responses. It has even been used to generate new scientific discoveries. ChatGPT has trained on a massive database of over 8 million web pages and has 175 billion parameters. This makes ChatGPT incredibly powerful and capable of handling a wide range of texts from such as answering questions, summarizing text, and generating human-like responses to open-end questions. One of the key strengths of ChatGPT is the ability to understand context. It can recognize and interpret the meaning behind a text, allowing it to generate more coherent and relevant responses. Additionally, ChatGPT can be fine-tuned for specific tasks, allowing it to excel in specialized areas such as customer services and language translation. However, there are some limitations to ChatGPT. Despite its impressive abilities, it can still struggle with certain types of text such as poetry or creative writing. Additionally, it was trained on text from internet. ChatGPT may sometimes generate inappropriate or biased responses. Now let's talk about Google Bard, a new AI model that was introduced in 2021. Google Bard is an AI chatbot similar to ChatGPT, and just like ChatGPT, it is powered by a language model to converse with users. Bard uses language models for dialogue application, and its model, which according to Google Bard has been fed trillions of words so that it can predict reasonable responses and maintain a conversation. Much like other chatbots, Bard designed to be conversational. That means user interact with it by typing in a query or request into a text box, and then AI, in this case Google Bard, will churn out responses using a conversational tone. For example, if you ask Google Bard what new discoveries from the James Webb Telescope can I tell my 9-year-old about, it will search throughout the information it has been trained and with return with a response on your questions. In this case, a response will be a couple of discoveries from the JWST that you can tell your child about, but be careful to double check the information Bard provided. Google uses this example in a demo and it got the answer embarrassingly wrong. At that moment, we don't know everything that Google Bard can do, but Google has provided with us a couple of examples. Planning a friend's baby shower, compare two Oscar nomination movies, get lunch ideas based on what is in your fridge. This has Bard missing some of the things that ChatGPT can do, like the ability to write research papers, poems, or codes for a basic website. Though there are a couple of caveats to that statement. First, Google has not said everything Bard can do and cannot do yet, though it has explicitly stated that Bard cannot code. Second, Bard appears to be focused on being a tool to augment Google search. So Google may simply not have it currently set up for functions that don't provide better, more contextual search result. However, Bard is still a separate tool for Google from Google search from now. While originally the battle between ChatGPT versus Google Bard was shaping up to be a face-off between two similar AI chatbots, things have been changed in recent weeks. While ChatGPT free research previews is still relatively similar to Bard in some aspects, it has some features such as the ability to code that Bard notably lacks. However, Bard does have the advantage of being trained with more relevant dataset, as ChatGPT 3 and 3.5 models stopped being trained in 2021. Unfortunately for Bard, the same cannot be said for new Bing and ChatGPT Plus, which are both powered by GPT-4. The data in GPT-4 is relatively up to date, and GPT cannot only handle text in multi-language but can handle multi-modal functionality as well. This means they can handle inputs and output in more than one form, though ChatGPT Plus and Bing chatbots handle it in different ways. For ChatGPT Plus and developers using the ChatGPT APIs, this functionality allows the AI to take images inputs and contextualize them into text outputs. For example, ability to describe what is funny about the text. Meanwhile, the Bing chatbots can generate images based on text inputs, though it does not this by interpreting the Bing image generator into the Bing chatbots rather than Bing AI handling it as a native function. However, like ChatGPT, Google Bard has its limitation. It may struggle with more technical or specialized writing, and it may not always generate responses that are as coherent, as relevant as ChatGPT's. Comparing the capabilities, as we continue to explore the possibilities of AI language models, it is important to keep in mind their limitations and potential biases. While these models can be incredibly useful tools, they are ultimately based on data that they are trained on. As such, it is important to be aware of their limitations and use them responsibly. The first test is language understanding. ChatGPT and Google Bard both have advanced natural language processing capabilities, but which one is better? To test this, we will provide them with the same prompt and evaluate their responses. Let's take an example. Prompt: can you tell me what is the capital of France? Response from ChatGPT: the capital of France is Paris. Response from Google Bard: Paris is the capital of France. Both models generated the correct answer, but ChatGPT's response is more informative, so we will give this round to ChatGPT. Second test is general knowledge. Both models are trained on large amount of data and have vast knowledge bases. To test their general knowledge, we will ask them some questions and evaluate their responses. Question: who is the first president of United States? Response from ChatGPT: George Washington was the first president of United States. And now look at the response of Google. George Washington served as the first president of United States. Again, both models generated the correct answer. However, ChatGPT response is more informative, so we will give this round to ChatGPT. Another test is the test of creativity. Another important aspect of language model is their ability to generate creative and engaging content. Let's take a look at how ChatGPT and Google Bard perform their functions in this regard. Here is a prompt. Can you write a poem about the ocean? Response from the ChatGPT. The ocean so vast and blue, stretching out as far as I can view, waves crashing on the shore, the sound of which is simply adore. Now let's see the response of Google Bard. The ocean, a place of beauty filled with life and mystery, a vast expansion of blue, a place to find peace and renewal. Both models generated impressive responses, but ChatGPT response is more creative and engaging. Therefore, we will give this round to ChatGPT again. So, what is the final verdict? After putting ChatGPT and Google Bard through a series of challenges, it is time to determine who is the winner. Both models have impressive strengths and capabilities, but each also has its limitations. In terms of versatility and adaptability, ChatGPT is a clear winner. Its ability to understand context and generate high-quality responses across a wide range of topics is unmatched. Additionally, its ability to fine-tune for specific tasks make it an individual tool for businesses and organizations. However, when it comes to creative writing and generating emotional, engaging text, Google Bard takes the lead. Its ability to generate poetic language and literary devices add depth and meaning to its responses. While it may not be as versatile as ChatGPT, it excels in its specialized area of creative writing. Overall, it is difficult to declare a clear war winner between ChatGPT and Google Bard. Both models have impressive capabilities and can be extremely useful in their respective areas. In the end, the winner may ultimately depend on specific needs and use cases of the user. Now conclude this debate. The battle between ChatGPT and Google Bard was certainly an exciting one. Both models are examples of incredible advancement in AI language model in recent years, and their capabilities continue to expand as technology progresses. Whether you need a versatile language model for a wide range of tasks or specialized model for creative writing, there are now options available that can meet your needs. Thank you for joining us today in this battle between ChatGPT and Google Bard. We hope that you have gained a better understanding of these impressive language models and their capabilities. Thank you for watching the video.